I'm going to talk to you about 5, that's 10, but I'm just going to talk about 5 things I love about makeup. Stay tuned. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight. I love makeup. I do. I love it. And I want to talk to you about why. And I want you to talk to me. Symbiotic. I'm going to do this as a tag video though, because I thought that might be fun. I'm going to tag Karen Renee. I will link her below. I always tag Karen because I know she'll do it. I'm also going to tag a new friend I've made. Her name is Tomboy. That's her name, her on the things. But I feel like she probably has a real name and I don't know it. So both of you, tell me 5 reasons why you love makeup. Before we get into that, I must give my sales pitch. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't want to miss a minute of the fun. And if you're already a subscriber here, thanks so much for watching. I think I'm gonna have some really good content for you this year. And if there's anything you wanna see, any beauty battles you want me to try out, products that you're seeing in ads on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram, I'm doing them. I've got a list this long. You just let me know what you wanna see and I will do my best to get it out to you. 5 things I love about makeup. Well, first of all, let me just say that I have loved makeup since I was old enough to know what makeup is. Loved makeup. I remember being 12 or 13 and not being old enough to wear makeup, and I'd go to school, and what did girls do? We put on makeup even though our moms told us not to. And I was a good girl, but even I did that because I wanted to wear makeup. I remember buying my first blue eyeshadow. Oh yes, friend, blue. I mean, I was born in 73, so you know I was doing the blue eyeshadow thing. I was. And as I got older, I just vividly remember wearing makeup as often as I could, playing with it, having fun with it. One of my favorite things to do was a cat eye. Do you remember those days before? Oh, sorry. Yeah, cat eyes aren't as much fun anymore, but I would get the liquid felt tip pen and just perfection. Loved it. But through all of that, my favorite thing about makeup has always been mascara. Always. Mascara to midnight. You may wonder, why mascara to midnight? Well, that's because I may not have time for any makeup any day, but I have time for some mascara, and I probably don't take it off till midnight because I'm going all day long. When I put on mascara, my eyes open up, I feel alive, I feel awake, and I feel beautiful. I mean, don't I look beautiful? And look at these eyes though, really. Those are some, no, they're not fake. No, they're real. They're my eyelashes with mascara on them. And they're just gorgeous. It brings out the green in my eyes. So mascara makes my eyes green. Okay, my eyes are already green, but it makes them look greener. Don't you think? I love it. Mascara makes me feel good. So the first thing I love about makeup is that it makes me feel beautiful. The second thing I love about makeup is it is in fact a mask. Have you ever been getting ready for a party or to go do something at your kid's school and the introvert in you or the shy person in you just hesitated to want to do it, you didn't want to do it, but as soon as you get that makeup on, you put on a fresh face, a new face, a mask to the world, and all of a sudden you have self-esteem, or you have, a sense of humor, or you just become someone that you're not, and the mask, the makeup, turns you into somebody else. And it's so easy. The third reason why I love makeup is because it really and truly is an art. Now, if you've ever gone on Instagram and looked at some of the real artists on Instagram or Twitter, they're on Twitter too, they blow my mind. I don't do that kind of makeup. I don't do that kind of art. I just put on makeup because it makes me feel pretty. But they're doing it as real artists do. And even if I'm just doing this, I've got a little bit of blush on, I got a little bit of eyeshadow on, it's still artistic. It's still to display beauty in the world for you and for me and for my husband and for my kids. The next reason I love makeup is because it's a cheap-ish hobby. Cheap-ish. I guess that really kind of depends though, doesn't it? Because any hobby can be cheap-ish. I mean, you can go to the Dollar Tree and buy all dollar makeup, but girl, you know I don't do that. Oh, I buy dollar makeup, but that's not all I buy. That's not all the things. Could be a cheap hobby, but it's not. And the main reason I love wearing makeup is because it is so fun. It's just fun. It's fun to put on makeup. It's fun to take off makeup. Yes, it is. It's fun. Stop saying that. It is too. It's fun to try out new colors. It's fun to try out new looks. You look younger. You look alive. You look refreshed. It's just fun. Makeup is supposed to be fun, and everyone looks better in makeup. You may look a whole lot better. You guys seen those videos where they're peeling off parts of their skin and peeling off parts of their neck? Or you may just look a little bit better. You look maybe like you got sleep last night. But whatever the reason, everyone looks better in makeup, even if it is work. But to me, it's not, because I love all the things about makeup. Oh, I could go on. Shall I go on? Nah, I better close it now. Tell me below, what's your favorite thing about makeup? I'd love to hear it. And even if I didn't tag you, feel free to do this tag. You can do it on Twitter, you can do it on Instagram, do it on any of the social media that you're on. I'm not really on Snapchat, so if you do it on there, I won't get to see it. But if you do it anywhere else, tag me, because I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks so much for joining me today. We love makeup here. You love makeup, I love makeup, so you're gonna wanna subscribe so you can get all the makeup and love and fantastic and fun stuff we do here. You won't wanna miss any of that. Got some more makeup coming up for you real soon. Have a great day.